Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about a teenager's prayer. In unit number first, part first, and this is a poem, a teenager's prayer. So you all open your books, keep in front of you. There is a chit chat session, and the first chit chat session is for you to discuss. So you discuss here whenever you are taking any important decision in your life. What do? Generally, that many times we consult our parents, sometimes we consult with our friends, sometimes we pray to the God, sometimes we think ourselves deeply, and sometimes ask your teachers also, or that I think anyone is not such a foolish person who will take decision by tossing coin. Definitely not. Generally, we all are the hard worker student. We all are the hard worker people, and generally we take our all decisions by consulting with someone or thinking by ourselves. Okay? So here, and that is different for you, person to person different. Not all the persons do the same things. Some students may consult with their parents, some may take their teachers' decision, all that differ, everyone's different. Then here in chit chat session, that is second, that in poetry that there are some figure of speeches are introduced to you, and especially this poem is an example of apostrophe. You know what is apostrophe? Where there is a direct address to the dead or absent person is called apostrophe. Okay? Dead or absent person. For example, suppose that twinkle twinkle little star. Okay? Where are the stars? That the stars are in the sky. But we say twinkle twinkle, is the star present here? No, na. Or sometimes we say that, oh death, where is thy sting? That is. Or that, oh caveman, I wish I could do. That all these persons, all these things are absent. And we directly speak to those person, that is called apostrophe. गैरहजर असणाऱ्या किंवा मेलेल्या व्यक्तीला उद्देशून बोलणे, that is called apostrophe. ओके. आणि म्हणून तुम्ही पाहता बऱ्याच वेळेला माणूस मेल्यावर ओरडतात, हे राजा मला घेऊन का नाही गेला? तो ऐकतो का? नो. दॅट इज द सेम. किंवा देवाला, हे देवा मला पण घेऊन जा. दॅट इज ऑल्सो गॉड इज absent. द डेड पर्सन इज that already dead. So such examples, such expressions are called apostrophe. Okay. Other figures are also here that you know. Study properly in your previous year's notebooks and do the exercise. Okay. So now we are going to learn the poem A Teenager's Prayer. I will read this poem for you. Listen carefully. Keep in front of you your book and underline those words. Okay. Shall I read? Okay. A teenager's prayer. Each day brings a new beginning. decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right. Bring out the best in me. Help, Lord, to just say no when temptations comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. Okay? So, in the first stanza, what does the poet J. Morse say? Here in this poem, the speaker is a teenager. You know what is teenager? Teenager means that a group of age that is from 13 to 19. You know 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19. Teen, that is called teenager. ज्यांचं वय 13 ते 19 वर्ष आहे, that is called teenager. Okay. So in the first stanza, what does the teenager say? That here he say, each day brings new beginnings, decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. Oh God, I have to take my decisions. Every day begins with new beginnings, and every day I have to take my own decisions, so that, and when the day start, I get up, I start my day, and I have to take my own decisions. So help God for taking me decisions. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, that leads to take. Oh God, that I have to choose my way, and actually I don't know where my roads are going, where my ways are going. So I can choose to take the roads of life that leads to great success, or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Oh God, help me for choosing my way properly, because sometimes I take my decisions that may go to the wrong side or to the right side also. I don't want to waste my life. I don't want to destroy my life. Help me, because every day begins with new beginnings. I have to take my decisions. So you, God, help me for taking my decisions, because if I have taken my decisions may be wrong. They may be go by the wrong side or right side. So that, oh God, help me. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right. Bring out the best in me. So also that, oh God, open my eyes whenever I will take my decisions, that God open my eyes, because I want to take the right decisions. And whenever, all the time I want to stand by the right side, not the wrong side. I don't want to do any mistake in my teenage life. Help, Lord, to just say no when temptations comes in my way. That, oh God, many times in my way, in my life, temptations may come, attractions may come. I think I should do that. But God, help me to say no, develop my ability to say no. That whenever the temptations, जेव्हा माझ्या मार्गामध्ये प्रलोभन येतील, आकर्षण येतील, अट्रॅक्शन येतील, तेव्हा देवा मला नाही म्हणायला शिकव. God, help me to say no. that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day, because God, I want to keep myself fit. I want to keep myself clean. So when my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. And God, whenever my teenage year will finish, that time I want to see myself. Definitely, I led my teenage life very best. So, in this poem, that the James was told you as a teenager is a narrator here, that a teenager requests to God, oh God, every day begins with a new beginning, and every day I have to take my own decisions. But I am teenager and I don't know what type of decisions I have to make, and I don't know are my decisions right or wrong also. So help God me for taking my decisions. I don't know on which sides my decisions will go. They may be go to the great distress, or they may be go to the darker way also. So God help me for taking my decisions, as well as that whenever I am taking my decisions, you open up my eyes, because I want to see the clear idea in front of, and I want to stand always by the right person, right side, proper side. Also God, I request you, आणखी एक देवा तुला प्रार्थना, that whenever the temptations are in my way, you develop myself to say no. I don't want to make any mistake in my life, and whenever my teenage years will finish, that time I want to see backward that I led very best my teenage. I don't want to do any mistake. So God, pray again and again that you help me to take my decisions. Do you understand? Thanks. Okay.